Here are two ways to remove a Gmail account from the Mail app. Either remove it completely or just hide it from the Mail app. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down to Apps at the bottom and find the Mail app. Under Mail Accounts, choose the account you want to remove completely from the Mail app and stop syncing with Mail, Contacts, Calendars, and Notes. Tap Delete Account, then confirm by tapping Delete from my iPhone. Your Gmail account will stay safe, and you can still use it on other devices or on the web. So no worries. To delete a Gmail account completely, check out my separate tutorial for that. If you only want to hide it from the device, just turn off all the toggles to hide it from the related apps. For example, if you want to hide it from the Mail app, disable the Mail toggle, then go back to the Mail app. Under Mailboxes, the Gmail account won't show up anymore, but you can still use contacts and other features linked to it on your iPhone. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for new free tech guide video updates. Post your questions in the comment box below.